Hi everyone, Jeff Appleby here with Oakland Realty. It is June 2023. We've got a pretty exciting market update for you here, and it's going to be broken down into two parts. The first is a little look at what's happened in the last 30 days. The next is going to be a little bit of context on what we might see coming down the road here. So to start it all off, some context on Greater Vancouver real estate in May of 2023. Sales up, sales to active ratios up, median average in HPI pricing up, days on market down. The MLS benchmark price rose 1.3% in May. That's after a pretty shocking 2.4% in April. If you average those numbers out and extrapolate them, that's 22% in the year. Also worth noting, sales over the last 6 to 12 months, in many of the months, have been well below the 10-year average for that period of time. In May, they were 1.3% below the 10-year average. So basically in line with historic normal numbers, but inventory remains low. We've had very little coming onto the market, and we're still 26% below the 10-year average for total inventory at the end of May. So it is reasonably strong demand with very little, with short inventory that is causing competition and driving prices up. So there's no question about that. The fundamental issue remains not enough new inventory coming on, not enough total inventory on the market. So if you're a seller, it's a phenomenal time. So here's the big but. Here's the second part of this market update. The big news is that on June 6th, the Bank of Canada actually kind of surprised the market with increasing the overnight lending rate 25 basis points, quarter point. So this wasn't necessarily expected, especially because they signaled a pause and really haven't signaled that rates would be going up again. They did that just a couple months ago, and that was when the spring market was just starting to warm up. And after that pause, everyone thought the next move would be a down. And so there was so much confidence out there. The market has been just super hot in April and May. And today's move just is likely going to dampen that, to be honest. And there's also a consensus between a lot of analysts and economists that we're going to see another raise in July, probably just a quarter point. And that is just really a changing direction from what everyone had expected. And it's a bit of a deja vu as to what happened in the sort of spring and summer of 2022. And so for that reason, I actually think the July update that's going to be coming up in a month will probably be one of our more interesting ones in a long time. And so I ask you to stay tuned. Let me know if you want any updated statistics for your specific area or property type. And let me know if you have any other questions. Enjoy your day.